Here I've got hammer blade, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key and hold it for a while, and then click on power off. Now confirm that you would like to shut down your device by clicking on OK. Now, once it's off, tap on power key and volume up key, hold both of them all together until you see the bootloader menu. So this is the bootloader, and now let's go to recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using the volume up key, so let me pick recovery mode, and then you can select the option by tapping on volume down key, so let's go to recovery mode. This mode will allow us to wipe cache partition on our hammer blade. Now we are in Android recovery mode. Here you can navigate by using volume up and volume down keys, and then you can select each option by tapping on power key. So let's go to wipe cache partition. It's just under factory reset, and click on power key. And as you can see, cache wipe complete, so we can reboot system now. Simply tap on power key and wait until you are back in the standard mode. And that's it. As you can see, you're back in the standard mode. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.